I don't know where to go from here. Never had so much time before. Time is all I feel. I thought it was fear the first day I met you, cause I knew that I was gonna let you have your way with me and do what you want to, cause you were just looking for someone to talk to. I obliged, but I didn't try nothing. I let you turn our talk into something. Before I knew it, we were both in love, and I didn't know that we didn't know nothing. Yeah, yeah. These days are long, I say these days are long. I'm trying to get on to see my baby, my baby, my baby. Yeah, yeah. These days are long, I say these days are long. I'm trying to get on to see my baby, my baby, my baby. Just try to get home. Gone for taking another dollar, another reason to bleed, another reason to holler. When life has got me by the collar and it won't let go. I said it won't let go, I know I won't let go. Then it take me to the door, know the one for me. Maybe it's not for me, maybe it's not for me. One know that I'll see that I'll always be open. This is the one for me, I said, this is the one for me, I said. Only problem is it's at the top of the mountain. Each ever I'm counting, every day I'm bounding. Up on the listen to the time